Here's an update on the ID card issue. Currently, now the ID card issue has been resolved. I had to just make this video now. We checked some of the restrictions we've had in the past, and we just marked them as resolved. Just go and modify. Once we modify the company, we went ahead and clicked on the mark as resolved, even though we didn't make any actual change in the misidentification that was there. So once that was done, I just noticed that I got some emails. I checked and I noticed that the company has been registered. All those business names that has been pending for a while now, they are currently registered now because uh, I think the whole AI issue has been resolved right now because those registration I'm talking about, it's been weeks, 2 weeks, some more than 2 weeks, and still we didn't get any response from CAC because they kept querying it. And the funniest part was that when you submit it once, they'll query it almost immediately. Once you refresh, it moves back from pending to query. Like you are going to see about 10, 5. I've seen some people send me some queries about 10, 20 queries because they keep re-uploading the ID cards, doing some manipulations on the ID card, and still there is no effect, anything affected on the ID card. But right now, I can confirm with you that our registrations that we have currently been registered. I'll make an official video. This is just more or less a quick video to update you guys on how to go ahead and download your documents that have been pending for now, right? So go ahead. All you need to do now, let me come again. All you need to do, log into your account, go to the query part, click on modify query or modify application. Once you click on the modification part, it will load up and walk you through from the business details to the proprietor details to the nature of business and everything. Once it does that, it gets to the ID card part. Make sure that the ID card you have there is the original scanned ID card, clear and good to go, just like you had it before. So once you do that, go ahead, upload it. Or if you don't have a good ID card, change it to the scanned one, right? So once you upload, click on complete. What's the button again? After you are done modifying, what's the button that pops up? That I think is I can't remember what the button is called, but it will ask you to mark as resolved. Yes, mark as resolved. Mm. And that's what I'm saying. Yes, you mark as resolved. So once you submit it, it will load it up, right? So you are going to get your certificate as well. Let me see if I can show you some of the certificates. I don't know if it's clear. So I saw some of the certificates that we've gotten so far, and it's good to go. So if you're having that issue, go ahead now. This is an update on the ID card issue. Go ahead now. I don't know if my audio is clear now, and I don't even care if my audio is clear because this is very important for everybody to know. So go ahead and download your certificate now. I'm sure it's going to go through. Go ahead and work on the certificate and download it now. So if you have any further question, drop it in the comment below. When I get back, when I'm settled, I went out. When I'm settled, I would do a video walkthrough on how we're able to get this done. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you are still watching my videos and you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you are doing. No, you are sleeping on a long thing, right? So please subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and let's see in the next one. Thank you.